So today we are going to discuss about articles in English language. So how many articles are there,
Yes.
Akshara?
Three.
There are
Three,
three
three.
articles: a, and.
And the.
Okay. So we'll see what exactly they are. So we call the as a definite article and a and as indefinite articles. So as you can see here, the objects which are specific, they are used with the article, and those objects are which are very general or which are one of a group, they are uh, attached with this article a. So for example, I went to watch a movie. I have a book, you can say, right? I ate an apple yesterday. So this is a general thing, and when you're speaking about something specific, then you have to use the article the. You know that we have got two types of nouns. One is countable and another is non-countable. So if we have non-countable noun, we have to use at least either the article the or no article at all. When we have got countable nouns, we have got two situations there: singular and plural. If it is a singular noun and it is a specific, we use the. If it is non-specific, we don't use any article. But if the noun is singular and it is non-specific, we use a or an. Now let us see when we use a and when we use an. So a is used before a word which begins with a consonant as a sound. So here the sound is very important. It is not about consonant as a letter. It should sound like a consonant. So we can say a man, a lamb, a cat, a bag, a musician. Okay, and then when we use an, so it is used when the words that we are dealing with begin with a vowel sound. So an apple, an eraser, an umbrella. So here you can see all these all these words have vowel sound at their beginning. Okay, so
Okay.
we have certain exceptions here, like in this word euro. It is starting with e. E is a vowel, but its sound is not vowel because it is pronounced as euro. So it is not a vowel, it is a consonant, and that is why we are using a before euro. In the same case is with university. So we have to remember that it is the sound that matters. The first letter, it may not be a vowel or it may not be a consonant. We should see how it sounds. This is the sound of it. Like in H-O-U-R, it is pronounced as R. So it is an R. So we have to use an before this because it is sounding like a vowel. The same thing is with F and A. So these are the various rules that we have to use. So as we discussed, it should sound like a vowel. So if we have to use an, if it doesn't sound like a vowel, we have to use a, like a euro, a unicycle, university. And then we have some words which are not starting with a vowel as a letter, but the sound is like that. So like an hour, an honor, an honorable prime minister. So it is it depending upon how the first letter sound. So even we have got various examples of this. So you can look at all these examples, and you can ask me if you have any doubt. Akshara, Antriksh, do you have any doubt in this?
We can take screenshot also.
Yes, you can take screenshot.
Okay.
Don't worry, I'll send you. I'll send you all these
Okay.
images.
I have one doubt.
Yes, yes.
Miss, I am asking you that it is correct or not. On my head, I wear a hat.
I wear a hat.
Hello?
Yes, it is right.
Okay.
So understand that not every time we have to use article or a or an or the. So when we are talking about things in general, like milk is good for you, so we do not have to use the milk or a milk or an milk, because it is a general thing. We are talking things about in general. So to talk about sports and games, then before the names of like we do not say the Japan or the France or the India or the you can say the Netherlands. So So before the name of any language, we do not have to use the article. Like we are learning English, we understand Marathi, we know Hindi. So we do not use we know the Hindi. Okay. So we can also take the liberty of not using any article before the names of meals like dinner, lunch, supper. They invited some friends to dinner, not the dinner or to a dinner. So the laboratory is in room number 6 on the 3rd floor. So we do not have to use any article here. These are the various examples where we do not have to use article, any of them out of the 3. So the article, in various things, we have to understand that. So as we have seen that we do not have to use the article before the names of countries. But if the countries are a group of countries or the name is like the United States of America, the United Kingdom, so we have to use the article before the names. Before the names of directions, the north, the east, and the west. Then the North Pole and the South Pole. Then the various deserts, the Sahara, the Gobi, the you can say various regions of countries, the American Midwest, various oceans, the Pacific, the Atlantic, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, and various mountains like the Himalayas, the Rocky Mountains, the Alps. So groups of mountains. Before the name of groups of mountain, we have to use the. But before the name of a mountain, we do not have to use any article like that. So suppose we have to just say Himalaya. So we do not use the Himalaya. We use only Himalaya. Himalaya is a very attractive place to go. So in polar region like Antarctica and the Arctic, we say the Arctic, the Antarctic. And then various seas like the Dead Sea, the Black Sea, the Nile. So we use the article in this fashion. Okay.
Yes. We can tell like this the Indian Ocean.
We have seen here, right? The Indian Ocean. We can say the Indian Ocean. We can say the Pacific Ocean. We can say the Atlantic. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So, do you have any doubt in this? Any of the slides here?
No, sir.